Our goal for this semester was to create a better system for setting up and storing a goalball court. We wanted our design to reduce setup time and be relatively tangle-free. To achieve this goal, we developed a two-piece prototype.
The first part of our prototype is a crank for rolling up and storing the goalball court wire. Users hook the wire court boundary onto the starting hook and begin to wind the crank. There are 3 lanes dividing sections of the wire evenly. These lanes correspond with the way the court is divided into thirds. The lane dividers are 3D printed and ensure the 3 sections of the court stay separate and tangle-free. The crank also contains magnets on the edges to stick shorter ends of the court to the sides and keep them out of the way. When the user is done winding up the court, they can stick the magnetic court end to the magnet and keep it contained. To unwind the court for setup, users pull the end of the court and the crank will unwind itself. After getting the court off the crank, it should be in the perfect position to be laid out and taped to the floor.
The second part of our prototype is a rolling cart that presses tape to the floor over the wire as the user walks. After taping the corners of the court to the floor, users can roll the cart over the wire and automatically lay the tape. The tape wheel consists of a removable wooden axle that allows the tape roll to be replaced when out of tape. The roll is secured to a 3D printed hexagon that spins on the axle, allowing tape to come off the roll. The tape roll also has a foam presser that ensures the tape is completely adhered to the ground to prevent tripping hazards. Finally, the tape wheel has a retractable metal and plastic handle to adjust to the user's preferred height, as well as making the prototype small enough to fit in the storage closet.
Both pieces of the prototype can be easily stored together with final dimensions of 20 by 20 by 15 inches.